What did you say?
I don't have money.
You don't have money?
Yes.
Oh no, who's gonna pay here then?
Mommy.
I don't have money too.
Daddy?
Daddy, do you have money?
I got no.
Oh my lord, what are we gonna do?
So silly.
It's so silly. That's the first step that you're gonna do if you're going to buy a property here in Australia. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to
This channel.
Bob. Paris is better than you at this stuff.
I didn't know you were queuing me, that's all.
Welcome back to our channel guys. It is Tuesday afternoon. It's 5 o'clock and kakatapos ko lang mag-work kasi our Daddy Mike is now on his 2-week break. Yeah, so Daddy Mike is now on his break, guys. Kaya, ayun, wala siyang work. So, palaboy-laboy lang yun siya dito. But today, supposedly, sa office ako mag-work. But then, I've got, parang, ano guys, ang tawag ito, parang may sore throat ako. Tapos, may sipon na rin ako. So, sabi ko sa boss ko, dito na lang muna ako sa bahay mag-work. Anyways, we are on our way to go pick up baby Paris from the childcare now. And then, after that, where are we going, Daddy?
To the broker, the mortgage broker.
What are we doing there? What are we doing there? Explain so that they know where we're going.
Yeah, so we're applying for a home loan for a guy that I know at work, and then see how we go. Should be all fine, and then yeah, that'll put us like on track to get to Brisbane.
So this is now our first step, guys. Our first move para bumili ng ating sariling bahay. So we're going to see the mortgage broker. Is that how you call him?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's in Richmond.
Hawthorne.
It's Hawthorne.
Yeah. The car's in Richmond.
Yeah. Yeah, so Hawthorne. It's what, maybe 40 minutes drive?
Well, it's 20, yeah.
From Paris, yeah. So we go pick up Paris that way, and then we have to go back that way. It's very exciting. Actually, I've been, parang nag-ano lang ako dito guys, nag-lounge lang ako dito sa bahay kasi nga diba alam niyo naman, when I'm working from home, I only have my pajamas on, my shirt, whatever. And sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, can I just, go like this?
Yeah.
Sabi Daddy Mike, no, you have to look professional, you have to look, nice. Para daw maganda yung impression.
That's right. Because you're gonna go in your like sleeping clothes.
Yeah. Could be bad. So this is what I'm wearing. So I've got my black shirt and then nilagyan ko ng ganito sa ibabaw para mukha tayong ano. And then that's our baby girl and that's Daddy's outfit. Show me your outfit, Daddy. Ayan, new shoes na naman, guys. Here, Daddy, show here. Ayan, may bagong shoe S na naman ang ating Daddy Mike. Socks, ayan. Anyway, so yun yung lakad natin for today. It's going to be very, very exciting kasi first time namin na mag ganito, diba? First move na para sa ating new house. So, yeah, we'll go. I'll take you with us, guys, and yeah, just show you around. I'll see you soon.
A few moments later.
Yeah, bag. Okay,
That's your bag.
Mommy.
Yes.
Tito's house. We're going to go see Tito.
What's in your bag? Hang on. I think she wants to show something, Bob, quickly. What's inside the bag? You changed your clothes, honey. Did you get wet? Huh? Be sure, Mama, what's in your bag? Oh, that's your dirty clothes. Thank you for showing it to me. Oh, you got chocolate.
Here you go, my.
Oh, go with Daddy now. Go with Daddy so we can go.
We're going to see Tito.
Here we go, Daddy.
Nakapagbihis, guys. Oh, siguro nabasa to kanina.
Come on. Thank you.
Go, Paris, go.
Mama.
Yes, na? Yummy.
Yum.
Yummy. Go, Paris, go. go.
Let's go.
Where's our car, Nak? Which one is our car, B? Kaila ka sa sasakyanan, wala. Anak,
Hi.
did you have a good day today? What did you do?
Hi, Mary.
Play with Mary?
Slide. I'm catching.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go? Si Tito? Yes, yes, yes.
Mom, I want that.
Hang on, Daddy will give you more.
No, I want the
Tingnan na.
pencil.
Tingnan nyo guys, the
Mom,
favorite
get
ni Paris, the
stuff,
pistachio.
Mommy.
100,
Yeah, it's very hard nuts. There's shells nut. Daddy has to take it out, okay?
114
Mom, I want to hold it by myself.
Daddy will get you some and then Daddy will give it to you, okay?
No.
Oh, no sucking? No sucking? Lang yung no. Oh. Daddy, give it to her.
I'm going to.
Siya yung kumain. Daddy's gonna give you one now. Buti na lang, ano yan siya guys, very favorite niya yan. We're here now. So, doon kami nag-park guys. So, we're now in Hawthorne. Oh, hold your hand. Ayan, very old buildings. Whoop, careful na. Tignan yung mga buildings guys, oh. Sobrang old. This is the one? What's the name of the place? Love the little shops on the side of the road.
October, September, August.
Where are you now? Are you here to see Tito?
Yeah.
Oh, your face is so dirty na. Ah, painam-inam tubig, Paris. So we're here, guys. Ganda ng office nila, guys, oh. Sobrang linis, no? Dito kami sa boardroom. Boardroom.
Hand doesn't look too bad.
No. Nakatapos lang namin sa aming appointment. Ayan. So, kakain tayo ng dinner, guys, kasi late na. Ayan. Oh.
Get a table for 3.
Table for 3?
Please.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Come sit down. Go, Papa.
What are for?
That's chopstick for eating.
For drink or for eating?
For eating.
What can they eat?
Are you hungry?
Yes,
Very hungry? Kanina pa to siya, guys, eh. Sabi niya, gutom na daw siya.
Mom, what's that sound?
That's music. They got music on. Choose na what you want, Nak.
I want.
You want you? Careful naman yun.
I'm so silly.
You're so silly, you are.
I want the
Ooh.
I want a
You want the tea, Nak?
No.
Tea?
No, Mom, I don't like tea.
Okay. Alright, no tea for you then.
It's so hot.
No tea for you then.
It's very hot.
Very, very hot, the tea. How do you call this one, Nak?
Tea.
Tea? This one.
Tea.
Teapot.
Teapot.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle.
Is it handy?
Here's the handle.
Good
What's this one?
handle.
Have it on?
That is for this year. What's that, Bob? Is that yours, Bob?
I
That's
don't
mine.
like
Leave
put
the
my
broccoli.
rice. I don't like
It's
put
not, it's not broccoli.
It is.
I don't like it.
Honey, what did you say?
I don't pay.
What did you say?
I don't have money.
You don't have money?
Yes.
Oh no, who's gonna pay here then?
Mommy.
I don't have money too.
Daddy?
Daddy, do you have money?
I got no.
Oh my lord, what are we gonna do?
So silly.
It's so
Daddy.
silly. So silly coming in here without money.
Just a spoon's fine.
Yeah?
Just a spoon's fine. Yeah, yeah.
I know. You want it so small.
Thank
It's
you.
okay?
Thanks so much. Yep,
you.
there you go. Do you say thank you?
Thank you.
Ah, no worries.
Yeah, have this one too.
I'm the girl.
Yeah.
She's the girl.
She's a girl. She's a girl. And here's mine. Ayan. So yan lang yung in-order namin.
Mine too.
Ayan. Ito, this is mine too daw. Oo. Gutom na gutom si Iya. Rice. Nak, have some noodles, nak, ha? This is really yum. You said you're hungry. You should try that out. It looks like it.
Yeah, it's burning.
Yeah, yeah.
My
Okay,
leg
thank
is
you.
dry,
Aware
Mommy.
of her. That's why I always tell the parents.
Yeah.
Sure.
Mine.
Nak, there's no chance, Nak. Just use your finger.
Use your finger. Just give Daddy one.
Okay. This one?
Mmm, yummy.
You try one.
You
now?
too.
No.
Give one to me and one to Mommy.
Rice is life. What did you play before, Nak? Show me, babe. Show me with this one, babe. Come.
Cell phone.
Huh?
Cell phone.
Xylophone, not xylophone. You showed me violin before, babe. How do you do?
Violin.
Yeah, babe. How do you play violin?
Like this.
What?
I will music.
Oh, with music. Oh, wow. How did you know?
Guitar.
Who told you?
Mary.
Mary?
How do you play drums? Yeah.
Eat na. So you'll be more clever.
Eat your spoon. Use your spoon.
Really finished, guys. There's the third. That is enjoying it.
Use your spoon.
Time check tayo, guys. It's now 9 o'clock ng gabi and kakauwi lang namin. Like, kakapasok lang namin talaga dito sa bahay. Sobrang late na. And upo-upo muna kami, guys, kasi sobrang tired at busog tayo, guys. Oh, busog naman talaga tayo. We had our dinner outside. What was that? That's not Chinese, Bob. That's Hong Kong.
It's Chinese.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Hong Kong is part of China.
Oh, really? Anyways, the food was good. It was a bit pricey, though. What do you reckon?
Yeah, it wasn't pricey for you because you didn't pay for it.
Anyways, about sa ating lakad, guys. Meeting with the broker. Obviously, hindi kami nakapag-vlog doon kasi, you know, everything was very confidential, very private. Kasi, you know, yung pinag-usapan doon is yung financial thing, like, ang tawag, yung basta mga ano, guys, mga private, mga confidential na mga information na. So, hindi tayo nakapag-vlog doon.
Alright.
What is wrong?
My nose with this.
Enough na dahil, anak, ha? Ng white rabbit, ha? Bulingit na kayo mo
No,
na.
sir.
I'm okay, thank you.
Only me. Only mine.
Who said you can have it? Oh, God. Seriously, it's information overload. Like, there's lots of information to digest. Most of the time, guys, para akong nasa algebra na klase. Like, mahirap intindihin yung mga ganun, guys. I'm very lucky because Daddy Mike is...
A big mouth.
No, Daddy Mike knows these things very well. You know what I mean? Like, I was pretty amazed how you dealt with it earlier today. What do you think that is? What's the go?
The prognosis?
Yeah.
The prognosis is we need to have a look and compare the different lenders, the different rates, and then basically set a timeline. So the thing is, there's no point pursuing it now if we're not going to move right now.
Yep.
So what he said was like, yeah, have a look at the lenders, and then when you're ready to proceed, based on your timeline, then get in contact.
Yeah.
So, like I said, at the moment our timeline is probably around November, I'd like to think. Which means that I'll probably reach out to him in about September
Yeah.
to say, all right,
We're putting the application
we're
through.
going to put the application through. Actually, no, I'll probably do it sooner because you're going on maternity leave.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, which just means we'll have to purchase in June. It means we'll have to get the finance, get the approval in June, and then buy something by August, September, and move in whenever. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is how it is like, yeah, here in Australia, guys. If you are buying a house, so hindi naman lahat talaga bumibili ng house, guys, like in cash talaga. Because house is very expensive. Hindi naman yung tigpipiso lang na house, diba? So, yeah. People, when they buy house, most of the times it's through mortgage.
Yeah, like 98% of the way.
Yeah. Mga millionaire, you guys, then go ahead. Do you think the millionaire will go through mortgage or they'll just buy in cash?
They'll probably go for a mortgage because you gotta remember, if they're a millionaire, they're probably wanting to buy something that's like worth 4 million, 5 million.
Yeah.
I just, like the more you have, the more you want. And the more you want, the more it costs.
So that's what we've done today, guys. So we just went to speak to a broker. So that's the first step that you're gonna do if you're going to buy a property here in Australia. So the broker is not, obviously it's not the bank, but they're the people who you're gonna talk to and give you some ideas and give you some.
The difference between going to a broker
Yeah.
and then going to a bank directly is if you go to a bank directly, they're only going to give you their rates, their offers. Whereas if you go to a broker, they're not employed by a bank, so they give you an overall view of what all banks have to offer.
Yeah.
If I work for Me Bank or Commonwealth Bank, I'm not going to be promoting NAB's products.
Yeah.
Whereas if you're a broker, you can promote.
They will give you options, and ipapakita nila kung ano yung mas magandang i-deal na bank, yung cheaper rate na bank. So they will give you all that information, guys. Kaya you'll walk out from that building with lots of information in your head. Tapos may idea ka na kung ano yung gagawin mo. So he sent us all the informations na napag-usapan namin doon kanina. And then we'll just have to review that.
Yeah, just review it and then proceed.
Yeah. And then is she okay, Bob? Oh my god, sorry guys, we're watching Married at First Sight as well here in Australia. And that lady just, seriously, I've seen the guys, yung gilagid na ng kanyang pagkatao. That was our guys lakad for today. At least like we've done the first step. Daddy?
Yes.
Yeah, we've done the first step. So we're definitely on that path. Nabibili kami ng bahay. And again, we are not getting a house here in Melbourne, guys. Pupunta kami ng Queensland. So doon kami bibili ng bahay.
That is correct.
Ano?
No house in Melbourne.
Yun yung mga pinag-usapan, guys, kung saan bibili ng bahay, ganito, ganyan, magkano yung deposit. We were talking about the income, ganun, kung magkano salary ni Daddy Mike, magkano salary ko, and overall expenses and everything like that, para makita talaga ng broker kung suitable kami para ng mortgage. So what's that, Bob, normally 30 years?
Yeah, so you can
Yep.
you can mortgage 30, 25, 20, it's up to you.
Yep.
But like 30 is the maximum.
Yeah, 30. So 30 years, guys, nababayaran mo yung
So
bahay.
30 years.
Can you pay it off earlier
Of course
than
you can.
30?
Yeah, of course you can. So if you come across
What is
money,
that?
like if Mama
If we
If Mama
became a billionaire,
Yeah.
like we get golds and whatever.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Like, help us pay
Share, yes.
Yeah, help us pay for our mortgage.
Yeah, I know. Because you know what also, guys, huh? So now we are renting, right? But we are... What is it now?
Yeah, I'll suggest.
Yeah, okay, we'll put it on. Are you finished eating?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll put this one. So, ngayon guys, no, walang malaking kaibahan talaga. Kasi nagre-renta kami. But if we will get a mortgage and buy a house, like, you know, home loan, we will be paying the same. Similar, if it's not the same. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that's why, like, it's better to, you know, go through mortgage and then get a house. At least, like, yung pera.
Mommy,
Yes, anak.
keep it on.
Okay, honey, wipe your nose at me. At least the money will go into the house. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, you own the house. Kaysa ganito mag-renta ka, then it's for me, it's a dead money. Kasi,
At the end of the day, Paris and baby number 2 shall own the house.
Lego. Yun talaga yung ano namin, guys. Kasi, diba, tatanda na kami. And, yeah. At least meron kaming maipapamana kay, baby Paris tsaka sa kanyang sister. Ito na ko, here's your costume. Mga itong baby girl ay. Tingnan nyo guys, show tita, show tita. So, daddy bought her, what is this?
Dress.
Elsa dress.
Ice dress.
Yeah, ayan. It's still too big for her, guys. Pero gusto na niyang suotin. Oh.
Oh.
Do you want it on?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Please.
Okay. Ang ilong ni mo na, oh. Wipe your nose, B. Wait, not this one. Kay very sharp. La, bulingit ka.
I did finish.
You did finish. Okay. Alright, put this on. Baby girl, show me your dress. Wow. Can you sing then?
Lego, Lego, head over one. Lego, Lego, to lay out the door. Yeah, now I Lego.
Ano?
I was Lego, I can sing. Now I was Lego.
Okay, tell daddy.
Now I was Lego.
Please?
Please.
Please? Do you sing? Tingnan nyo guys, sobrang laki pa sa kanya. Okay, you got it.
Done.
Not a footprint to be seen.
Now let's sing.
Oh, go, sing. Gold never bothered me anyway. Wow! It's 10:30 na ng gabi guys at i-end na natin yung vlog dito kasi we are going to bed. Ang ating baby girl ay gising na gising pa. Sabi ng daddy niya, it's time for bed. Sabi niya, no thanks daddy. Nak, it's bedtime.
Bedtime.
It's bedtime, sleeping time.
It's bedtime, sleeping time.
Yeah, that's right. We have to wash your face, brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Yeah, because we have to wake up early tomorrow. Where are we going tomorrow?
Shop center.
No, you're going to school.
Oh?
Yeah.
I got the nurse and the doctors.
Yes, Dad. Do you want to go see the nurse and the doctors too?
Yes, I don't need to go to the doctor. I already got the nurse already.
Oh, okay. You don't need to go to the doctors because you went to see the nurse.
Yes, I don't need to do one more time. I'm after sleeping.
Okay, you only need to do one more time.
Yes, after we sleep.
Okay, alright. Come on, we have to wash our face now. Okay, very dirty na. Anyways, guys, thank you. Thank you very much for watching today's video. We will do a quick shout out before we end our vlog. Shout out to Jocelyn Pason, Marie Salas, Gail, Nelson Panganiban, Shane Mora, Eva Novio, Maria Cruz, Alili Maria Santiago, Helen Sunico, Jacqueline Gallo, Jenny Quijano, Riz Chano, Jen Cameron, Teresita Ku, Stacy Vlog, Evelyn Buena, Mami Rose Sabalie, Maritis Nakor, Sharon Ando, Viuli S, Novero Yoli, Maricel Cantre, Feli Ilamparo, Joanne Owano. Ikaw ba you say? Ikaw ba Joanne Owano? Emelita Gonzalez. You say it. Say Emelita Gonzalez.
Mommy, here's a basket.
Sheila Solano.
Here's a basket.
And Liberty Sindanya. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Akong buhok.
Here's the candy.
Thumbs up na. Thumbs up if you like it.
Here's the candy.
Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good and if you can.
Bye.